Between Iganga and Kamuli, 56 kilometers of gravel road. It begins in Iganga town where the tarmac ends. For the communities along it, this surface is the whole journey to the market, to the clinic, to the school. It ends at Kamuli, where the tarmac from Jinja begins. Before a road is built, it has to be understood. Drilling rigs moved along the alignment, borehole by borehole, every layer logged, every material tested. August 2025, the contractors camp. December, the same view. A design and build contract for the Ministry of Works and Transport funded by government. A batching plant, a workshop, a laboratory. Construction commenced on the 15th of December 2025. Land is handed over in phases, the works follow the land. The quarry was opened and the rock taken out. Crushed, screened, stockpiled. On the corridor, the formation is being built. Cut, filled, watered, compacted, layer by layer. Through the wetlands, the embankment is raised out of the water. At every crossing, a structure is built, reinforcement fixed, concrete placed. Machines and haulage, working the length of what has been handed over. Ten kilometers are under construction, of 14.3 handed over. The rest of the corridor is still being acquired. (56.3 kilometers), Iganga, Bulopa, Kamuli.